Might be the results this week amid a bunch of downgrades to sell. All right, Jimmy, I saw a bunch of tweets from you, and the stock, frankly, has been all over the place. So give me the wrap up here.
Yeah, I think it's got some legs, though, right now. The pre-market was ridiculous because this was an excellent report, Scott. By the way, thank you for bringing this up. It's very gracious of you. I know I took you to task yesterday on it. But they beat on revenues. They beat on earnings. They beat on free cash flow. They added 4.9 million subscribers to Paramount Plus. Let me repeat that. 4.9 million subscriber additions. Compare that to Netflix or anyone else, that's pretty darn good. And, you know, the short term, all those analyst downgrades were on the macro headwinds in the advertising space, but their upfront wins in the advertising space were really quite good. So it's hard to find a blemish here. You know, if you're a long-term investor, you're looking at this growth rate and you're saying things are going really good and have been for quite some time. If you're a trader, you're looking at that reversal off of the pre-market lows and saying there's some legs here. So I think things are really turning now in Paramount's favor.
Joe is sitting here on the desk, as you know. He was rolling his eyes a little bit. Now he's raising his hand, and you should have seen the face that he was making. Weiss can barely contain himself, so I'll give it to Joe.
Jim, how can you leave out the fact that the direct-to-consumer subscription and ad revenue were both a miss? I mean, that's so critical to the TV and media segment of the business.
Joe, I'm not sure what you're looking at because I didn't see it as a miss. So we may be having different data sources there, but let me put these numbers in front of you and then you tell me if this is a terrible stock. Just let me put the numbers in front of you, okay? Revenue for Paramount Plus was up 120% year over year. The entire streaming business, okay, which is Paramount Plus, it's Pluto TV, and it's Showtime Plus or something like that, was up 56% year over year. These are breathtaking numbers for a stock that trades at 11 times earnings, below book value, and a 3.5% dividend yield. I'm not sure what numbers you're looking at, but those
I'll read them to you.
He's going to read them to you.
Direct-to-consumer revenue of $1.1 billion was a miss versus the 1.25 estimate. Subscription revenue of $830 was $10 million light, and ad revenue at $363 was $30 million light.
But who's the source on that?
Again, let me just jump back in here because this is, you know, look, it's a good question and it's an opportunity for me who actually knows the stock pretty well to kind of go into some details here. Again, I'm looking at different data sources, but
Jim, hold on a second. Before you answer. There's no alternate data sources. They either beat it or they missed, right? They either beat the consensus or they missed.
No, consensus, we all know that there are different data sources for consensus, and probably what the difference is here is that they turned off 3.9 million subscribers in Russia, okay? And I don't know if one data source versus the other is accounting for that. There is really no way to look at this report and see anything other than good results and a very good prognosis.
Okay, I'm going to read you a line from Atlantic Equities. Revenues rose 19%. That was better than consensus of 12, but was entirely due to film, as both DTC and TV media marginally missed. Now, we're not suggesting, or Joe, I don't think was suggesting that they missed a lot. I mean, the metrics that he read to you would certainly back that up. But I feel like how could we're talking about like apples and oranges, as though one set of numbers doesn't exist. Well, the other numbers exist in the universe that you want them to.
Let me tell you the numbers that matter here, okay? Let me just recap this. They beat on revenues. They beat on earnings. They beat on free cash flow. And that's really what I want. When you look at those streaming numbers, which is a detail that's worth looking into, I'm not sure that those analyst estimates that you're referring to, and I'm seeing other ones, okay, but that's okay. I'm not sure they're taking into account the fact that 3.9 million subscribers were turned off in Russia. Now, if you want to focus on what matters, I'll tell you the 4.9 million subscriber additions are what matters.
Jim, direct to consumer, are you saying they beat?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Jenny, you own it too.
Well, yeah, but this is something that I bought at like $16 during the pandemic and have been using as a source of cash ever since, and have a marginal kind of stub position.
That's a big vote of confidence before you give your answer.
No, but it's not. But my answer doesn't have to do with Paramount. My answer has to do with consensus, which is frequently, Jim's exactly right. You can look at different consensus data, whether it's from Bloomberg or Refinitiv, or other sources. Like, it depends on which analysts are in there. It depends on whether they're using mean estimates or median estimates, whether they take out outliers. So I always find noise in consensus data. So I just wanted to put that out there.
I think you guys are missing the bigger picture here.
All right, Jim, go. You get the last word.
You're really missing the bigger picture.
You get the last word, then I got to go. I can't give Steve. I can't give Steve a last word, because then there'll be like 4,000 more words.
I have.
Listen, guys. No, this is important.
Okay.
This was a beat on everything that matters.
That's right.
If you want to find nits to pick, be my guest. This is a stock that operationally is exceeding expectations, and the share price today is reflecting it, and I think in the future will too.
Jim, are they insulated from cord cutting?
Well, streaming is the insulation.
That's not really
streaming
a fair
is
question.
The insulation against cord cutting.
No one's insulated from cord cutting.
I'm not quite sure what you're referring to. Let me help you out here, Joe, because I'm not sure you really know this stock well enough. Okay. In addition to the 60 million streaming subscribers, they've got 70 million Pluto TV subscribers. So you put those two numbers together, and this is the actual truth: 130 million subscribers to their overall streaming business. If you want to laugh at that, you can be my guest. I don't need to.
No, that was a good line. I'm not laughing at the
punch.
Yeah, I'm not. We were laughing at the numbers.
Scott,
I was laughing.
Scott, can I give the win?
We got to go. We got to go. I really got to go. I had to go like 3 minutes ago. I'm sorry. I do have to go. Jimmy, I appreciate it, man.